Hey, I'm Joe Scope from ProudMoney.com, and in this video we are going to do an unboxing of Tesla Tequila. But before I do that, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not already. And if you have already, I thank you for doing so. So something very much out of the norm for this particular YouTube channel, we are going to unbox and take maybe a little taste of the limited edition Tesla Tequila. So back in early November on some random Thursday night, I found out that this Tesla Tequila was going to be coming out. I guess this goes back to some sort of joke in some past video that Elon Musk made where he showed some future self drunk on Tesla Tequila. And because he is a master marketer, Elon Musk decided to actually make the Tesla Tequila and offer it to people at an inflated price, if I am being honest. And when I saw that this was going to be available, even at that inflated price, I said, this is not going to last long, and if I have the opportunity, I am going to jump on it. Now, I'm no Elon Musk apostle, and when I heard this was going to be $250 per bottle, I thought, well, Elon Musk is playing me for a sucker. But then I thought to myself, $250 a bottle, sure, I could get, probably some really good tequila for $50 a bottle. But would it be in the cool Tesla bottle? Would it be a potential collector's item? Would that $250 potentially be an investment instead of purely $250 coming out of my pocket? Maybe. So here it is. It came in just this plain, brown box here, like any other shipping box you would get. And inside there is like this black box underneath. It's got, I don't even know what the purpose is of this flimsy plastic and what the heck this thing is supposed to be doing to protect anything, I couldn't tell you. Like, really, what is this exactly? Anywho, let's pull it out of there and see what's going on. So when I pull that out of there, we got this black box in not a whole lot, just a little flimsy wrapping like I said, and then, oh, I got it upside down. Now hopefully I can catch the light here and you'll see the Tesla logo there on the box and some other stuff down there. So you can see they kind of made it look a little fancy. And then we'll look inside. All right, now if I slip off that top of the box here, which wasn't the easiest thing to do, so I sort of pre-slid it before this shot. Got some little foam there, and then inside, let's move that card so you can see the actual product. There is your Tesla Tequila in the bottle. So what you have is this bottle that's got your sort of lightning boltish thing going on, and then you've got this little stand that it comes in, and then there's also this card here, and this card, which I've already read, tells you that you better be careful when you open the tequila on the top. You better lift it up straight, or there is the possibility that you're going to completely break the bottle and you're going to have spent $250 and you're going to have a broken bottle of Tesla Tequila and you're really going to wish you had not spent $250 on it. It doesn't say all that on the card, but that is my interpretation. All right, I'm going to pull that bottle out and let's see what it looks like in the light. And then when you pull it out, this is what you have. And I gotta tell you, this is really pretty much what you're paying for, right? If you're paying this much, $250 to have this Tesla Tequila, you want this bottle in particular. This is sort of the collector's item-ish thing about it. It looks pretty cool, and it has this little stand here because obviously this isn't gonna stand up in any sort of liquor cabinet that you might have, right? So you're gonna need this little stand, and you put it in the little stand, and if I drop it, I'm going to be kicking myself, right? And then when you do, you don't want to have a shaky hand, which I do. And that's kind of how it goes. Now you might be thinking to yourself, well, that doesn't look like it's worth $250, but just think, I could take this, what is potentially a collector's item, right? And I'll bet right now I could go on eBay or somewhere else and I could turn this around and get at least my $250 back. Maybe, I don't know, $500. I haven't looked on eBay for a while, but I'll bet some people are selling this for some pretty high numbers. But I'm not going to do that because what I really want it for is to make my friends green with envy if COVID ever ends, so that they can come over and I can show them my Tesla Tequila sitting in its little stand and I can say, oh, you want to have some? And they will be very green with envy. And then the question there is that worth $250? Yeah. All right, let's see if I can pull that top off per the instructions without breaking it. Straight up, not side to side, not anything else. It is not budging at all. All right, I didn't realize it was taped. Okay, again, straight up, not side to side. Don't do anything that would break the bottle. Well, it's maybe a little give there, but not much. I'm getting a little nervous here. Okay, now I'm going to give it a little sip like a gentleman, and I want to be honest here and tell you that up to this point in my life, I have never had tequila that lasted more than 2 or 3 seconds flying down my throat, or perhaps in a margarita. So to have some tequila that is going to be sipped as a gentleman is something new to me. Now this is a sort of higher grade tequila here. There is sort of the Blanco tequila that normally you would think of, the kind that you would buy off the shelf. This is extra, or maybe not extra, just regular. It's añejo tequila, which means it has been aged to a certain extent. According to the website from Nosotros Tequila, which is who actually made this, Elon Musk did not mix this up himself. This is a 15-month aged tequila versus the tequila that you normally would see out there on the market. Now I'm going to put this into this glass here, which could be a challenge given the shape of this baby, but we're going to see how it goes, and I'm not going to put very much in there because I probably can't handle very much. Now, according to the Nosotros website, again, Nosotros being the company that actually manufactured this Tesla tequila, this tequila has a dry fruit and light vanilla nose with cinnamon and pepper finish. And if I can tell any of that from taking a drink of this tequila, I will be completely shocked. Because mostly it smells like medicine. I don't really drink a whole lot of liquor straight up like this, but let's give it a shot. Just not bad. I don't normally drink this way, and that heat that you feel when you have real liquor is something that I'm not used to because I don't do it very often, but I gotta say, that's not bad. That's a nice little, I don't know, maybe after dinner or whatever kind of drink, but all right, so that's it. Tesla tequila, not bad if you know anything about tequila, which I don't really, but at $250, it did not seem like the worst thing in the world. If you ever have the opportunity to get your hands on it, if they ever put it on the market again, maybe worth the price. I'm not quite sure, but otherwise, if you can't get your hands on it, if this is the limited edition and you just are green with envy, I won't mind. All right, so that's it, a collector's item edition here on the Proud Money channel. If you liked this video, please subscribe. We'll probably never do another video like it. If you didn't like it and you're already a subscriber, we'll probably go back to the videos that you came here for in the first place. Regardless of any of it, please check out proudmoney.com, where we do credit card reviews, we talk personal finance, we talk deals, and all sorts of other fun stuff too. Thanks for watching. Bye. That looks like maybe I have it on backwards.